Marpa Chökyi Lodrö, or Marpa Lotsawa 1012 to 1097, was a great Tibetan master and translator, and a disciple of Naropa and other great siddhas. He brought many tantras from India to Tibet and translated them. These teachings were passed down through Milarepa and his other disciples, and are the basis of the teachings of the Kagyu lineage. In total, Marpa traveled 3 times to India and 4 times to Nepal. On his 3rd visit, Marpa went through an adventure in finding Naropa. Because Naropa, having already entered into the tantric conduct, was nowhere to be found, however, with determination, trust, and devotion, Marpa managed to find Naropa and receive the final teachings and instructions from him. Naropa formally declared Marpa to be his dharma successor.